Hi, I'm Nancy. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making garlic black pepper beef short ribs. So let's review the ingredients. I have some beef short ribs here. Ginger, garlic, green onion, yellow onion, shallot, cornstarch, Shaoxing wine, sesame oil, Worcestershire sauce, oyster sauce, baking soda, seasoning salt mix, fresh cracked black pepper, a bit of sugar, chicken stock, and cornstarch slurry. For the prep, let's start with the beef short ribs. And what I'm going to do is use a blunt side of the blade and tenderize the beef. I'm kind of doing it in a crisscross fashion. We can also do the back side. And this flatten out to almost 1/8 of an inch thick, because beef short ribs can get a little bit tough. So we'll do it with all the other pieces. Okay, so that looks good. And what I'm also going to do is cut it in between the bone. Okay, so that's all done. Let me wash up and we can proceed with the rest of the prep. Okay, so next up, let's give the beef a quick marinade. Add a bit of the seasoning salt. A bit of black pepper. The Worcestershire sauce. Sesame oil. Shaoxing wine, and a bit of baking soda. This is also going to help tenderize it a little more. And a bit of cornstarch. And the cornstarch is going to give it that velvety texture. Just a good mix. Actually, I'm going to use my hands. And I'm really working in the seasoning. Okay, so that looks good. Set this aside and let it marinate for at least 15 minutes. I'll wash up and we'll proceed with the rest of the prep. Okay, next let's mince up the ginger and garlic. Good. Next, we can slice the shallot. And the yellow onion. Okay, and lastly we have the green onion. I'm going to cut it into quarter sections. Now all the prep is done. We'll wait another like 10 minutes for the beef to finish marinating and we can start cooking. Okay, I have the pan set at a medium-high heat, and the first thing we're going to do is sear off the beef short ribs. We'll add some oil. And we're going to put the ribs down in a single layer. I might have to do this in 2 batches. And you don't want to crowd the pan. You want the beef to sear nicely on one side. And I'm only going to sear it for 30 seconds each side. Okay, give it a quick turn. And we'll sear it on this side for 30 seconds. Okay, remove it from the pan. And we'll put the rest of the steak in. And just a little bit more oil. Okay, give it a quick turn. Remove it from the pan. Okay, I gave the pan a quick wash and rinse. Dry it out. The pan is still set at a medium-high heat. So let's add oil. We'll add the onions, shallots, and garlic. And we'll cook this until the onions and shallots soften up. And that should take about a minute. I'm going to add a bit of the roasting salt mix. Sesame oil. I'm going to add black pepper. Oyster sauce. Bit of sugar. Shaoxing wine. The chicken stock. Let the mixture come up to a quick boil. You can give it a taste to adjust the seasoning. I'm going to add a little bit more black pepper. So now let's thicken the sauce. Return the beef. Give a good toss. And lastly, we'll add the green onions. Okay, this is done. Turn off the heat. Let's serve this. And here we have a delicious plate of garlic black pepper beef short ribs. This dish has a subtle sweet and savory flavor. The cracked black pepper, garlic, and onions complement the rich, beefy goodness of the ribs. Enjoy! Okay, let's see if Shadow likes it. Oh, yummy. She loves beef. Thank you for watching, everyone. Until next time, eat well and be healthy. Good girl.